how to fix GTA 5 crash on loading screen, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it, easy and quick. First open the settings and then go to privacy, and now scroll down until you find here background apps. Now just turn it off, turn this one off, and then right click on GTA 5, and now go to properties, and once you're here go to compatibility, and then uh, turn on run this program as administrator, and also display full screen, disable full screen optimization, and then click apply and OK. And that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.